Tara na. Meron ka pang school bukas eh.
Tara na, tara na. I will take you up tomorrow. Pick you up. You take a bath. You take, and I will stay here. We will pick you up tomorrow. Kasi babay na Chris na kay Grandma. Sige na, Chris na kay Grandma. Dali. Babay, Grandma.
Tara na.
Tara na. Uwi ka na. No, I don't want to uwi. But we have
Oh,
work.
my car.
We have work.
Tara na.
Tara na, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ma. Hindi ka mo home. Bye-bye na, kiss na dito, be. Kiss na, be. Kiss na. Oh, kiss na si tita. Bye-bye na. Kiss. Sa lips. Kiss na. Bye-bye. Oh, to buy toys, okay? Oh, that's many, ha? Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. I want to go to work and oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye na, bye-bye ka muna. Bye-bye. Bye-bye tayo, tayo. Bye-bye tayo. Bye-bye ka muna. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Let's buy toys. Let's buy toys na daw. Let's go na. Bye-bye. Wow, wala na iyak. Wala na iyak. Bye-bye.
Eh, may pera na eh.
Lots of toys, okay? Bye. You buy that, okay?
Di naiyak yan. What happened?
May iyak.
Why?
Gusto magpabili ng laptop? Nabuang ka? Guard. Daddy, that's what I found. Look, scope,
Oh.
and I can easily shoot.
Tignan mo yung price.
I cannot see the price. Oh, it's only 1,000, not 1 million. Uy, it's a balik mo nga yan dun. Bahala ka dyan. Ito bibigit yan. Daddy, when you're rich, can you buy me a Tesla?
Why?
Because you cannot hurt it me anymore.
Di kita sa atin sa school?
Yeah, because I will tell Tesla, we're going to AUF Integrated School. And
Oh.
she will go to AUF Integrated School. Oh. I'll just leave the car on the parking spot. Okay lang.
Okay, spot. Ha? Buang ka?
No, Tesla is just only a robot.
Robot si
car.
Tesla?
Yeah, robot car.
Kung yan, natay bang palit. Natay bang palit sa Tesla.
No.
Pagtarong sa eskwela.